So I have a tip number 6 here with some icing, and I'm just going to pipe a pearl border around the edge of the top tier and the bottom tier. Same color as the cake. This is a different kind of icing, so I try to get it as close to the same color as possible. And actually I had to, I forgot to bring the avocado green here with me, so I just mixed the leaf green with a little bit of brown. So if you don't have avocado brown at home, but you do have leaf green and brown, I did a pretty good job, I think, at matching the color there. I'm just squeezing, stop, squeeze, move the tip to the right. Try not to get the little dots on the ends. So squeeze, stop, squeezing, move to the right. Okay, and I'll continue this all the way around the cake. All right, so the next step is going to be taking some brown buttercream. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do this side and then the other corner and go this way with the vine. So I'm going to start down here, and if there's any little flaws on the cake, like a little dent there, then I'll go like this. Maybe have that be my main. Also come up to the top, do some little offshoots by just tucking it into the base and just squeezing. So this is just brown buttercream. This is a tip number 5 on here. And then on this side, I'll come around here. Maybe one more here. Okay, then what we'll do is just take our little flowers and start popping them on. Okay, what's happening here is the royal icing was too thin. Can you see how it's actually melting a little bit here? I used royal icing. And actually on a cake like this, you would just use buttercream instead of the royal icing. It's just I had the royal, but it was a little older, and obviously I added too much water to it. So this could happen, but you know what? It's so funny. I mean, on a cake that was for someone, obviously I would take it off and redo it, but I think it actually looks kind of cool the way it is here, kind of melted down, but it has the scallops up there. I mean, you would never ever be able to redo that anyhow, but it looks kind of cool. So I'm actually gonna leave it, since this is just like a quick, easy cake. But like I said, on real cake, obviously they're gonna know that it was supposed to be pearls. That's kind of cool though. I wish I could get it to do that again. That looks really neat. Okay, so continue to add the flowers here. So knowing that, I had some green royal icing for the centers of these flowers, but I am going to have to stiffen that up because it will just be a puddle just like that. So the only thing I don't like about adding it this way is this sugar has not been sifted. So I could get lumps, and then when I try to pipe it, that wouldn't be good. So I want it to be pretty stiff for these centers so that they actually stick up. Now that's stiff. All right, back in the bag we go. And the first part that I squeeze out is going to be the thinner stuff.